welcome to my bathroom. So today I'm going to show you guys how I take down my quick weaves. I've had this one in my head now for 2 weeks. I'd say a week and a half, and it's time to take it down because I'm trying to do like a new hairstyle. So I'm gonna show you guys how I did it, or how I do it anyway. So this is some kinky straight hair from Premier Lace Wigs. I love Premier Lace Wigs. I think they're affordable, but for the length I have, it's just 2 bundles of kinky straight, and Premier Lace Wigs never play with me, so go ahead and go spend money with them. Okay, so a couple things you're gonna need to take down your quick weave, and it's basically gonna be water, and this is water in a old ordinary bottle. We recycle over here, okay? And then some conditioner, preferably some conditioner you don't care to use a lot of, so like your inexpensive conditioner. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to, if you have a clip, separate your hair, your like natural hair from the weave. This will just make it a little bit easier to see your hair. Now I used Morning Glory, so my stuff will come out pretty easy. If you're not using Morning Glory, girl, you need to. So I'm just gonna add some water to the root. Oh, it's gonna get messy. Just gonna add some water to the root like that. Massage it in a little bit. Ideally, you will just rinse your hair under the sink. Not gonna lie, but because I'm showing you guys that I can't put my hair under the sink, or maybe I could. Anyway, just keep applying your water. And as you're applying your water, your hair is going to loosen up. The bonding is going to loosen up. If, again, you use Morning Glory. If you did not use Morning Glory, that's when I'm going to go in with the next step, which is the conditioner. Do not tug or anything. As you're applying your water to your hair, to your hairline, right, you're massaging it in. So what I'm gonna do is take some conditioner and just pat it, scrub it into my hair. Add some more water. Now if you don't have conditioner, you can use hair oil, which I will be using as well. Now, ideally, again, if you use Morning Glory, or not even if you use Morning Glory, ideally, you want to submerge your hair underwater to get this off. That would be the fastest way to do it. But again, because I'm not submerging my hair underwater, I have to keep applying water every time I am removing this thing. So my mic died, so if the audio changed, my bad. But basically what I did was I went and submerged my hair under the water, under the tub water. Because spraying it in the bottle, it just was taking a little longer. And again, it's a process. If you don't have a sink, I don't know, you should have a sink, but I'm not saying like that, I'm just saying. If you wanted to, you can do it. Just run your hair under the water. And that's just what I did. When I did that, it came, the cap came right off. So I just reached into my tub, and this is the hair right here. So yeah, it's still all intact. And I'm gonna take these tracks off and wash them individually. Put them in the sink right now. And so what you'll do then to make sure there's no more glue in your hair is that you can take your conditioner and massaging it in. How I have my hair under this quick weave, I literally just had it in one big braid to the back, and then I braided up my nape to avoid any breakage from my nape area. That's another reason why I took it down earlier, because when I did, I was like rushing because I had a trip to New York, so did not have time to really prep my hair how I would usually do it. But yeah guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and detangle my hair and wash it off camera. But that is how you take down a quick weave. I appreciate you staying tuned to the end of the video. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.